this lesson, we're going to look at customizing the funnel and the website colors. Now, anything I do in funnels, apply this to website builder as well, because they are essentially the same builder. Now, you can customize every single step, including the colors, fonts, and more. Follow these steps. Let's dive in to the screen share. So I'm going to navigate to a funnel, and here's a demo one that I've created. I'm going to add a new step, and I'm going to use a blank canvas. So funnel wide, what I might want to do from here, this is completely blank, but what I might want to do here is I want to have global typography. So clicking on the settings here, you've got some initial SEO metadata, tracking code, CSS background. So I want to be looking at the aesthetics. Custom CSS means exactly that. You can get your own style sheets and apply them funnel wide. You can change the background, or I can look at typography. So when I click on typography, I've got the headline font, and then I've got the content font. So essentially, anytime I use a headline throughout this funnel, it's going to default to using the typography chosen here. And then of course, I could choose any of these Google fonts to take over. So I'm sort of a fan of Roboto. It's kind of getting a little bit dated. Let's apply that. Anytime we use paragraph or content, we're going to use Monsterrat. Then, of course, you can see that, but the default text color is going to be black. And then anything that is a hyperlink, recognized as a hyperlink, is going to be this blue color. That's pretty universal. So we can do it here, and we can apply this to the entire funnel. And then, of course, global settings also look at SEO metadata. Now, any major news save will ask about changing the default SEO page and title. So you can go ahead and do that. But in this lesson, we're focused on the aesthetics. Changing the background, we'll look at applying an entire image background to the entire canvas. And of course, applying a color will do it as well. If you want to, you can just forget all of that and you can apply your entire style sheet as custom CSS. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.